You might think that a person of means, such as myself, wouldn't have a horror story. But you'd be wrong. There was one summer in camp when I woke up in the middle of the night, hungry.
Hungry? SpongeBob, now I'm really scared.
Here, this should help.
Thanks. I don't like the eyes.
As I was saying, I woke up hungry in the middle of the night and rang for the butler. But the butler didn't answer. What happened to the butler? Something sinister, no doubt. I walked toward the service kitchen. Every step filled me with dread. I'd never been in the kitchen and I didn't know. Oh, I didn't want to know what I'd find there.
Here you go. You shouldn't go in there alone.
This fog should help with the atmosphere.
Do you mind?
Not at all. You're doing great.
I have notes.
Once I was in the kitchen, the fear continued. How do I make a sandwich? How many pieces of bread? I didn't know. And what goes on a sandwich anyway? Kelp pate? How many kelps were murdered to make this pate? The spirits might be angry. Then, everywhere I turned, there were sharp, deadly objects pointed right at me.
Sharp, deadly objects, huh?
Now we're cooking.
Sharp, deadly objects like forks, spoons, and butter knives!
Butter knives? That's not scary.
Oh!
And then, from the corner of my eye, I saw them. Half one thing and half another. Unholy hybrids! Freaks of nature! How did they get in my cabin? I didn't want to look, but I couldn't help myself. There, standing upright in the dish rack, there were sporks!
Woo-wee! Nothing more invigorating than a swim around the old camp pond. Oh, yeah. Last one in the lake's a hairy armadillo. Woo!
I don't want to.
What's wrong, Patrick? Come on in.
Yeah, the water's Jim Dandy like sweet candy.
Candy? Okay, I'll do it.
Patrick?
He sunk faster than a tractor in a mud puddle.
Ah! That's the most important rule! No sinking!
Patrick!
I'm okay. I'm okay. No, wait, that's not it. Help!
Right. Camper Patrick, how in the deep blue seahorse did you get your swimming badge?
It was easy. I made it myself.
Settle down. Tonight's funniest camper will receive the Kamp Koral Comedy Badge.
There's a 2-milk minimum tonight, kids. So drink up. Get your milk right here. Free milk for money.
I'd wish you two lost, but you wouldn't know funny if it bit your faces off.
And now, tonight's first comedian, Camper Shecky.
Hey, each thing, John. I just swam in from Atlantis, and boy, is my schmavich hyphen. Why did the sea captain flush the toilet?
Why?
Because it was its duty.
I am offended! Oh!
I meant it. Was it something I said?
Hey, campers, I urge you to please keep your amusement to a minimum, because our sounds of mirth could awaken an ancient evil. This isn't a joke. Your laughter could be the end of us all.
Funny stuff. And now, with some impressions, here's Camper SpongeBob.
And now with some impressions, here's Camper SpongeBob. Oh no, I'm puffing up again. Here's someone else you might recognize. I likes money.
I don't get it.
You still gotta eat it. Camp rules.
Oh, if only I could escape this blasted nightmare!
Hey, congratulations, Dutchie. You learned to snap your fingers.
And now I'm gonna snap you like a couple of twigs! Huh? Hey, where are you going?
Sorry, Dutch. It's past our bedtimes.
Yeah, Dee. Thanks for the scary stories. Not.
Oh, we mustn't leave a fire unattended.
Wait! Let me out first! No! No! No!
Dudes, is that a cookout I smell?
Sweet Neptune. Their allowance must have come in. Time to bilk some brats.
One ultimate chocolate crunch bar, please, my good man.
Absolutely. Yes, sir. Right away, sir.
It's beautiful. Yummy! We did it, Patrick. Mission accomplished. The end.
Hey! Maybe you boys would like to buy something else before you go.
You know, I could use a new mustache comb.
Well, we do have plenty of money left. Okay, one mustache comb, Mr. Krabs.
Woohoo! One mustache comb coming up.
Oh, and the cowboy hat.
Okay.
Ooh, I could use new shoelaces.
Oh, yeah, sure.
TV.
The golf clubs.
The encyclopedia set.
The steak knives.
Don't forget
The deodorant.
The handcuffs.
The face towels.
The dinette set.
Tutu.
Make it two. You know, Patrick, owning lots of stuff is great,
It definitely makes me happy.
but now there's no room to move in here.
Plus, we still have lots of money, but there's nothing left to buy.
Some fresh vegetables from my garden will make today's picnic positively perfect. Each one grown with love, free of harsh chemicals, and untouched by snails!
Picnic stretching. No fetching. Picnic stretching. Gary! My favorite forest snail. I haven't seen you since last summer. Bring it in, buddy. Hi, Mrs. Puff.
Have you seen any disgusting snails in here, SpongeBob?
Disgusting snails? Don't think so.
Oh, really? Then what do you call this?
I call it a Patrick.
Huh? Well, keep your eyes open, because when I find that garden-grubbing snail, he's go!
Here we have our illustrious judges.
All right, let's get these lame games over with.
In the badminton event, it's the yacht cabin versus the trawlers.
I got it!
First win goes to the yacht cabin.
Hooray for you!
That's just the first event. We'll get them in the next one.
Up next, it's the hammer throw. From the frigate cabin, Craig Mamilton. 285 feet, a new camp record. Frigate cabin wins!
Okay, that's true. But this next one is ours for the taking.
Next event, extreme speed knitting.
All right, you nitwits, knit! Knitting doesn't seem like much of a sport to me, but...
Time's up! Needles down! An interesting entry from the trawler cabin. But what's this? A noble knitted knight!
Don't feel bad, guys. I have a good feeling about this next event.
And now, the final event of the day. The grossest camper competition. This should be a slam dunk for the trawlers. A strong showing from the trawlers.
You might want to hold on to that celebration. Mind if I dunk? Anybody want a taste?
Looks like I spoke too soon, folks. It's a Hail Mary win for the dinghy!
Yay, Patrick!
We lost every event today.
If I'm not the grossest camper, then who am I?
How are we even going to compete in tomorrow's big event? That is a great-tastic idea, Kid Ferratu. I love it.
Finally, time for game night!
With no campers.
We should play Peril, the game of undersea conquest. I'll destroy both of you and take over the ocean.
Boring. That game takes too long. Let's play something more profitable, like Monopoly.
No, thank you. You You always play the bank and you always win. How about slot boat racers?
Oh, no. Krabs accidentally ran over me last time. My leg is still healing.
His leg! I said I was sorry. Besides, we ain't playing race cars neither. We're playing lobster trap.
Ooh, lobster trap. Ooh, I like that.
Favorite.
You know, sometimes I think these adult-only nights are the only thing keeping me sanity in check.
Tell me about it. If I have to deal with another one of the campers' ridiculous requests, I might just bulldoze this whole camp!
Ouch! For a little help here. Okay, we're ready. Dibs on the battleship.
No way! Battleships are too big for you, short stuff. You get the thimble, like always.
Wait, what was that?
It couldn't be.
Maybe it was the wind?
Campmaster Krabs, emergency! I need your help!
What is it, boy?
Patrick swallowed my teddy bear and I can't sleep without it!
Sorry, Krabs. He asked for you.
All right, let's get this over with.
Hooray! We're back talking to Sandy Cheeks, this summer's biggest science fair winner. Ooh, what you make here, Sandy?
Well, Perch, I call it my combination volcano and rocket. Wanna see it launch?
Absolutely. Get a shot of this rocket, Harvey.
Spaceship, hello?
Okie dokie, here it goes.
Wow! That was spectacular, Sandy. Where in the ocean are you from? So we can give your hometown a shout out.
Oh, I'm not from the ocean, Perch. I'm from up there.
Martian! Look, Perch. Martian. 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 It's a Martian!
I ain't no Martian. I'm a Texan. You got a problem with that?
He was joking. Tell her you were joking, Harvey.
I wish I could, Perch, but I am speaking truth to Martian, and she is probably the leader.
Well, would you look at that? It's time for Squidward's Culture Corner.
Hello, Odd fans. Counselor Squidward here. Let's see what masterpieces the campers have for us this week. Too much red. Not enough red. Oh, this looks like it was done by a 5-year-old. Oh, you are a 5-year-old. Well, it's still garbage. Ta-ta! Get off me, you little twitten! Don't just stand there, imbeciles! Help me!
Too many legs.
So when we're on the air, you will keep your Martian opinions to yourself. Right, Harvey? Oh, Mrs. Puff. There's our next segment.
Mom, why are you calling?
Oh, good question. Now, why was I calling?
There you are! Yeah, Mom.
It's a beautiful, clear day here at Kamp Koral. as Rookie SquarePants attempts to net his first ever jellyfish.
While simultaneously talking to his mom. And here we see the young jellyfisher's abstract expressionist period. Wow, what a talent.
Sorry, Mrs. Bob!
Simply amazing. Here, SpongeBob combines two sports, jellyfishing and canoeing. And he's bad at both. He's going. And now, back to Jelly Meadows.
Now I remember what I wanted to ask you. Have you caught a jellyfish yet?
No. Not exactly. Bye, Mom. Love you. Whoa. It's just like my dream. Yay, I got one. Gotcha. Huh?
Hey, that's my college fund.
I got you this time. Whoa. That's my jellyfish.
Oh, sorry, buddy. Here. I'll hold it out for you while you catch it. You're overthinking it. Try standing closer.
Closer.
Bend your knees. Deep breath. Blow your nose. Squint your eyes. Oh, where's your jelly face? Let's see your jelly face.
Yeah, this is my jelly face.
Oh, here.
Yay! Oh. I'm the worst jellyfisher ever.
True. But remember, SpongeBob, all that glitters is not all that jazz.
Thanks, buddy. That's some good advice.
If I were in his shoes, I'd walk softly and carry no bed of roses.